So we are going to understand regarding the for loop now. So the basic syntax, before going to understanding the for loop, we need to understand the syntax for the for loop. The syntax for the for loop is for initialization, okay, semicolon, condition, semicolon, iteration. So iteration means it may be a increment or decrement. So now here we are going to begin the flower bracket, and you can write the set of statements, whatever you require. So and ends with the bracket, flower bracket. So first what happened here, initialization is going to be done. After initialization, it go and checks the condition. If the condition is satisfied, it comes. If it is true, it comes inside and executes these set of statements. After that, it will move to the iteration part. So after iteration, once again it comes to the condition. If the condition is once again satisfied, it will move and execute the statements. So whenever the condition is false, it will be come out of the loop. It is come out of the loop. So this is the syntax. Another syntax means same for initialization, semicolon, condition. You can write any number of conditions. Next, iteration. Okay, now so generally if there is a two or more statements, then only we are going to apply the flower brackets. If only one statement is there, no need to put the flower brackets here. Okay, so here we can also put the semicolon in certain cases. I will tell you, so some in the interview questions. So this is regarding how the for loop syntax is going to be understood. Now I am going to tell you